We all know that probably most users these days, or 65% of the users these days, they sign up using Google accounts or either Apple accounts or Facebook accounts, right? But the most common one is Google accounts. So now all prototypes or all designs shouldn't be the same, regardless of whether you're designing a login screen for the 100th time or whatever. And if you're not using apps like Protopie, you should at least try this, right? Signing in with Google. We all know these screens and everything. We all have been through these ones where you sign in with Google, you confirm that you want to sign in into this particular website, and then after that you're done, right? So now you are able to do this, but not only just this, you can also do this here. You can also do this one here, right? We know also like certain websites would pop it up from the top right or whatever it may be, but mostly it will be from the top right, and you give access and then you're signing in, and this is like an automatic sign in, right? Not only that, the last part, now you can do it on your mobile as well, right? Where it pops up from the bottom of the screen and then you're signed in immediately, or well, after it's done loading. We know that developers have access to this on Google Identity Service, or some they call it OAuth 2.0, but developers now have access to this. So instead of just having access to that only from the development side, you can also have access to this on the design side, right? Now most of us probably wouldn't want to start this from scratch or design this from scratch, and this is why I have this particular file here, the Google Identity Service file, right? So this is the file that you will get when you download it. You can use the link in my description. It will be the first link in the description, or in my website, or on my links. This will be the first link that you will get. So this will offer you things like your buttons. You have a guideline, you have components in here, you'll have prototypes here that are ready. So I realized that there's a new update that Google has made, so I will implement this in the near future. But once you guys download the file, you'll walk around this, and this is what you get: the documentation as well, then the getting started, and then the models that you will implement on your designs, whatever it may be. But the most important part I want to show you guys is this. If you want to change all these images, if you can see, this is just one image. Now I couldn't go around and plant this across, you see, even on these screens, I couldn't go around planting all these images one by one. That would be very tedious, right? So what I did is create a master component that I can create other components in. So with this master component, I'm able to now add one image in one place, and then it will adjust it in all these other places that this image may affect. So if I say user, and then I'm looking for an image, I'll take this one, the blue one, right? I like the blue background and the hat, so I'll take this particular image here. Seems like it's not imported. Oops. Okay, unsplash. Is there something wrong with doing here? That's weird. So I'll select that image and try to replace it. Ooh, hold on. Okay, we have an issue here. I want to see if it's particularly with that image or what. It's probably that image. So once you have your image imported, the maximum width that you need here is 64. The height does not really matter. You'll have to adjust the image accordingly. So now if we just zoom in here and we throw this image in here, center it, make sure we cover all the angles and all the sides. If you want to push it up a little bit, then yeah. But then this is what has happened. The magic has happened. Every single image in here now has been adjusted. literally every single image in here has been adjusted, right? So not only that, even in here, every single image now has been adjusted, right? So this is the power of components within components, or master components and all that. But yes, like I said guys, you can definitely grab this in the description below, or if you go on my website, you'll definitely get it. It will be the first resource that you'll find. And if you see more resources that you like in there, just grab them. It's for free. Other than that, if you guys like this, please leave a like. I would highly appreciate it, as I'm trying to grow this channel and so that I can provide more value to you guys. If you want to stay tuned to some of the videos I'm going to be posting later on, please subscribe to the channel. When we hit our first 1,000 subscribers, I'm releasing a design system that I've been working on for I think 6 months right now, right? It's just in the back door, but I'm releasing it for you users out there to just have something different to what you have out there that's already existing. Leave a comment if there's something that you want me to either adjust with this file, or if you just want to engage with me, just leave a comment. I mean, we're still relatively small, so I will definitely reply. Other than that, don't forget to grab this, and much love. Stay blessed.